All right, so I finally got one of my favorite plants, the Monstera. Unfortunately, as you can see from this pot, I couldn't get a beautiful pot to match my very beautiful plant. I've looked all over the place and I just can't seem to find something. So I decided, why don't I make my own pot? Now, if you follow me, you know I love a good DIY. So let's do it. Now, remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Remember, the more you watch, the more I make. So, subscribe now. Yes. Now, the best DIYs are the cheapest, which is why I try to use as many things that I can find around my house as possible. For instance, this bucket. My mom doesn't like the idea too much, but I'm still going to use it. This is a bucket that's been in my house for a while. So I am trying to go for something very natural, very earthy. So I bought this hemp rope from town for just about 8 Ghana cedis. You can use any rope, any color, depending on the theme that you're going for. I also got these ropes as well. Are they called ropes? I don't know. But I just, went to the town and just picked anything that looked very earthy to me. Now, this has got to be one of my favorite things I've spent money on. It's my Hot Melt glue gun, and you will see why. I use it for everything. All right, full disclosure, I was already halfway through before I remembered I wanted to record this for my YouTube page. So, yeah, I kind of cheated a little bit, but it's pretty simple. Put the glue and then voila. So I've done about half of this, as you can see. If you can get someone to help you, because when that glue gets to your thumb, it's painful. And of course, Oreo is here, obviously not helping. So I decided to add some white to it just to break away from the brown. It was also rope that I bought for about maybe also 8 cedis. So yeah, if you can see other hands, it's because someone came to help me. And voila, my Monstera now has a beautiful pot to go with it. And then I have the stand from Alaha GH, so this makes it even more beautiful. I love that I did it myself. There's something about doing something yourself that is just so rewarding. I get to tell everybody, I did that all by myself. And in the spirit of feeling adventurous, I decided to do the same with my other pots. But yeah, the filming didn't go quite as planned because I was filming on one hand and then doing it on the other. I cannot tell you how my fingers hurt from the glue. But would you look at this? Not bad. Well, I mean, I kind of stopped halfway because, Charlie, I was tired and yeah, maybe I just might add more, but this is it. Now, if you've enjoyed this DIY, subscribe to my channel, Lydia Forson, for more. No, I mean it. You can't just come and watch and go. Subscribe.